Hey, Chef Wayne here. Hey, I'm excited about today's video. I love barbecue. I could eat it almost every day of the week. Today we're doing it. Cannabis infused barbecued pulled pork. Now we're doing easy style that you can make at home in your crock pot. Hey, this stuff cooks all day. It makes the house smell great on top of it. Let's get started right now. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell. And you want to share the channel with your friends. Maybe it'll make barbecued pulled pork for you in a special way. We're going to start off today with 4 pounds of a pork shoulder. I'm going to cut this up into some large chunks. I got 6 big pieces out of this 4-pounder. After we cut it up into pieces, I'm going to put it in a bowl and I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. After I've got it seasoned up with some salt and pepper, I'm going to rub it in a little bit. There we go. Get them all seasoned all the way around. I'm going to place this in my hot pan that I've got some cooking oil in. We're going to sear this all the way around on all sides. There we go. We're going to get it nice and brown all the way. I always like to sear my meat before I put it in a crock pot or something like that, in the oven, anywhere. Here we go. I'm going to place these in the crock pot. Now we're going to add 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. Just pour that right in over the top. After that, we're going to add chili powder. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. After the chili powder, we're going to add Cajun seasoning. I use the Hemp Tasty Cajun seasoning today. I like this stuff. 1 teaspoon. It has hemp heart seeds in it. Then we're going to use black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. And garlic powder. I'm going to do the same thing. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I'm going to go with salt. I use sea salt. You can use infused salt as well. Okay, I got 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. After that, we're going to go in with our 1/2 cup of cannabis infused sugar. It was approximately 320 milligrams of THC. 1/2 cup. Now we have 4 ounces of cannabis infused honey, which came in at approximately 120 milligrams of THC. That's going to give us a total of 440 milligrams of THC in our batch of barbecued pulled pork today. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. There we go. We're going to cook this on high for the first 2 hours to get it going. There's a lot in our crock pot. After 2 hours, we're going to put the heat down on low, and we're going to cook this for 6 more hours. We're going to give it a stir every once in a while. After about 6 hours, you're going to see what it's looking like. The sauce is going to reduce down. Basically, the meat's absorbing the sauce, and the pork will fall apart and become really tender and juicy, and it becomes thicker and thicker. There we go. We're looking at a finished product here. That is delicious, and the house smells great. Our batch gave us 10 sandwiches today at approximately 44 milligrams per sandwich. I like to put coleslaw on mine. You don't have to. Hey, this is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. I hope you enjoyed today's video of how to make that cannabis-infused pulled pork at home the easy way in a crock pot. Now, hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, and share with all your friends. Hey, until next time, happy cannabis cooking.